Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this bed in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box and I need length segments 3. Press F4 to see the segments clearly and add Edit Poly. Select these edges plus loop. So you can see that all these edges are being selected. Chamfer it with 1 cm. Now select the inner loops minus 0.5 and the amount 0.5. Now I will add Turbo Smooth, but the effect for over the corners will be strong. So as you can see here, so I need to preserve my corners with a swift loop. Now to add quick loops, you press Alt plus number 1, add them near the corners. So I will constrain my corners, and now this is the result. As you can see here, these corners are being smooth up to the nearest edge. Now I will check the top part, and I also need to constrain these corners. Use Alt plus number 1, add 1 back loop, and also to the front side add 1 loop and turn on Turbo Smooth. It will curve up to the nearest edge. Now I will go to the left view. So I need here to make this side a little fluffy, but the back side I can keep it straight. I'll go to the front view and select these polygons and move them outward 3 centimeters. Now turn on Turbo Smooth. And this is the effect I want to have. I am done now with the headboard. Now for the backboard, I will draw a box. And now I will place it in the corner, also on the top view. I will also make a copy for the other side. Now I will go to the top view to draw the bed side. I will need for that a box, and I will adjust now the location and move it in the front view. Type in the status bar 20. Now I need to make this groove over here. So I will go to the left view, add Edit Poly, select these edges and give it 1 connect. Also I will chamfer this edge 0.5. Then I will select the inner loop and will give it minus 0.1. Now before I give it Turbo Smooth, I need to add some loops to the corners. Use Alt plus 1 and constrain all the corners and near the top and the sides. So Turbo Smooth will round these corners all the way up to this edge, and also will go down up to this edge. So I will have a smooth corner. Also, I need to check the top part because I don't have any segments here. So I need to add here some loops. I need to curve also a small amount from both sides. So you are the one who are deciding how big is your smooth corner. Now I will add Turbo Smooth and make the iteration 2. Press F4, and this is from the side. Now I will go to the front view So I will copy this object with symmetry modifier. So I need to relocate the pivot point. Go to hierarchy panel, click affect pivot only, and move your pivot to the middle of headboard. Add symmetry modifier and use the x-axis. Now I need to make it a little bit fluffy from this side, like the picture. I will close symmetry and turbo smooth, select these polygons, and move them in the x-axis 3. Now turn on turbo smooth and symmetry and see the result. And this is also the front view. I have a nice curve here. Now I will start with the baseboard. In order to draw a box from this vertex to this vertex, I will call for the time being turbo smooth and edit poly. I will draw here a box from this corner to this corner here, and I will adjust the parameters. Let me adjust the position. Now I will add edit poly. Please press Alt plus number 1 to add loops to the corners and to the sides, and also from the top view. Now I will add turbo smooth. Make the iteration 2. Now I will need to make this side rounded. So I will go back to edit poly, select this polygon over here, and I will move it in the y-axis -2. Now I will turn turbo smooth on, and this is from the left view. I have a nice curve over here. Now I will start with the wooden leg, so I will draw a box for that. Now I will add edit poly, select these vertex here, and move them in the x-axis 5 cm. Now I will locate it under the footboard. I will isolate them first and move it to the corner like this. And now also from the front view. Now I need to make another copy here by adding symmetry modifier. So I will move the pivot point first to the center, and then I will use symmetry modifier in the x-axis. Now this is the final look after I added the materials and mattress.